Today, we want to talk about the Richmat HJH173 adjustable beds. And there are several different variations of these beds, different types of remotes, functions, features, etc. But this is going to apply to all models. So let's get right into it. So if you own one of these adjustable beds, you already know how finicky the remotes can be. Problem is, these were manufactured during the COVID time, during the chip shortage, and the biggest issue we see with this is control board failure with the touchscreen. Um, Second to that, we see issues with the control box itself, ports getting burnt out on it, just stopped working altogether. But let's try a couple of things that may fix the bed and get it back working again. The very first thing you want to check is if your bed is locked. Press and hold the lock button for 5 seconds and then release. You do this to either lock or unlock. Also, make sure that your adjustable bed is getting power. Look at the indicator light on your power supply to make sure that it is illuminated green. If not, you may want to have someone check it with a voltage tester to make sure that it's putting out the correct 24 to 29 volts DC. The final thing to try is reprogram the remote. Press head down, foot up, and then press the blue pairing button and listen for the beeps. If you've tried all the things you saw in this video and the bed still won't work, then chances are it's the touchpad that's gone out on the remote. These remotes are proprietary, meaning that they only work with this specific control box, no other. So, going online, for example, trying to find a remote for this, one, you have to find a remote with the exact same keypad configuration. Secondly, it has to have the exact FCC ID number. And third, and finally, the software number must match. If these three things do not all match, the remote will not work. And that's a big problem with these beds. As of the date of release of this video, we can get a few of these touchpad remotes, but we also have a more affordable solution with one of our conversion kits, and we'll get into that. So if you're tired of this wonky remote, let us talk about one of our conversion kits for your adjustable bed. It comes with a high quality remote that will have all the same functionality as your original remote control. And it's going to convert it over to the new digital control box, and we'll talk about that as well. The older analog boxes have individual ports for head and foot massage, whereas on the new digital boxes, they've made it a single plug. And so how that works, we have a massage adapter that comes with the conversion kit, and that allows to convert your old analog plugs over to a digital DIN connection. And that replaces this old, what we call the HJC9 control box with the new digital model. So if you're interested, give us a call here at the number below, and one of our friendly representatives will be happy to help. Thanks for stopping by.